Okay.
Hi, I'd like to tell you a little bit about this 28-in-1 ratchet set from SHARDEN. Now, the unit comes in a compact box, and it's composed of 28 pieces. That includes 20 assorted bits, 6 metric sockets, a 1/4 inch extension, and your ratchet. Now, it's just small enough that you can get into tight spaces. The bits include Torx sizes 10 to 40. It includes hex drives, and those are 4 millimeters, 5 millimeters, 6 millimeters, and then a 1/4 inch. It comes with both your Phillips heads drivers, number 1, 2, and 3, and then Posi-Drive drivers also. Now, the Posi-Drive is actually a modified Phillips head, okay? With that, it has additional raised areas on the internal surface of the screw, and that allows increased surface area and contact for the Posi-Drives that allow you to use increased torque. It's a screw-specific phenomenon. You can go ahead and use your Posi-Drive in a regular Phillips head, but you can't use the Phillips driver in a Posi-Drive. It also has standard drivers, flat drivers if you would. Those come in 4, 5, and 6 millimeters. Once again, you have your 1/4 inch hex, and then your sockets will come in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, and 5 millimeters. The unit itself, the ratchet, has 72 teeth. It has forward and reverse, and then it also has an extension. This extension will fit your drill and driver, and you can then use an assortment of bits. For instance, if you want to do 225s for wood screws or something of that nature. Now, this is a locking head, and so once it's in there, it won't come out. Okay? The unit itself comes in a compact carrying case, toolbox, and it's latched. The metal used for this is chrome vanadium steel, and with that, it's an alloy that decreases the tendency towards corrosion and oxidation. It hardens the steel, and it increases the strength. I think you'll find this a very useful small kit that'll help you get into tight spaces. Good luck. Thank you.